Hello again, my name's Gabe Zola. You know, you have to sort of wonder about the integrity and honesty of one of the, well, maybe more than one, but one in particular of the Supreme Court judges, and that's Elena Kagen. And the reason you sort of have to wonder about her is that, as I've said countless times in many of my videos, it was Elena Kagen that was hired by Obama to bury his past. And she used a law firm that the Less Than Honorable Attorney General Eric H. Holder was a partner in. Now, here you've got a Supreme Court justice that was never an attorney. I mean, other than an attorney, she was never a judge. And Obama appoints her to the bench. And we know that she knows the truth about him because she buried his past. Now, why would anyone spend $3 to $5 million having their past buried if they didn't want to have their past buried? Because if their past wouldn't have been buried, then maybe not, no maybe but it, he would not be in the Oval Office. He'd probably be in prison somewhere, you know? Or held for trial. You see, the crimes that he's committed while in office are treasonous. And treason has a particular punishment. It's called execution. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, this isn't about Obama. This is about Elena Kagen. How can we have her rule on life and death matters when she can't be trusted because we know she's a liar? Yeah. She is a liar. She accepted a position from someone that she knows was never qualified to grant that position. Yeah. Yeah, just follow the pieces of the puzzle. It all makes perfect sense. Elena Kagen should never have been appointed to the Supreme Court. She was never a judge. She was an attorney. You know what that's like? That's like putting someone that flew a Piper Cub into the B-1 bomber. That's what it's like. They have no clue of what to do, nor does she. And that's why the Supreme Court's a complete farce. Justice Roberts is a farce. He knew that the documents that were submitted by the House of Representatives as a bill that they passed was switched by Harry Reid in the Senate. Everyone knows that, but nobody does a damn thing about it. And look at the billions of dollars that have been trashed because of Obamacare. Trillions of dollars have been trashed because of Obamacare. And that's all because Justice Roberts wants to keep his two daughters. He could have kept them anyway. Who's going to take them away from him? Nobody. The whole thing's insane. Totally and completely insane. That's what I think. So what do you think?